Over a period of 5 years, over 150 people invested financially in the soil campaign. You laid the groundwork for the stronger and more effective organization that Pasa Sustainable Agriculture is today. Your support has enabled us not only to deliver on our strategic priorities, but also multiply the impact of your initial investment. We're constantly looking for ways to be the best stewards of your gifts. When I look over the last 5 years, I am so humbled by how much we've achieved.
Through our soil health research, we've been providing farmers with ways to really get in depth on their soil management, and farmers are at the front line of climate change.
Your investment has enabled us to launch several research projects that have measured and monitored financial viability, soil health, production efficiency, and environmental impact on more than 130, at this point, working farms across the Mid-Atlantic region. We've been able to publish insights from our research in our own original publications, including lots of case studies and reports that you can find free of charge on our website. And our research has also been published in peer-reviewed journals and has been talked about in many farm trade publications. One of my favorite parts of the research projects is how we're able to cultivate peer-to-peer farmer relationships with those folks that are participating in the projects so they can learn and grow together.
Over the past 5 years, we've engaged with over 12,000 people who've come to our conferences and workshops. They've come to learn and then implement more sustainable practices on their own farms and in their own businesses. These are community members who are better able to advocate for climate-smart policies.
Two really big program initiatives that came about through the soil investments that I think we can be really proud of are one, our apprenticeship programs, both the dairy grazing apprenticeship and the diversified vegetable apprenticeship. We're really, national leaders in this area now with pioneering this model of registered formal apprenticeship to really train people professionally in one of the most complex and challenging careers there is as a farm manager.
With most of Pennsylvania's farmers at or beyond retirement age, we're facing a critical shortage of agricultural labor here in Pennsylvania. Through Pasa's work with farmer-to-farmer exchange and apprenticeship and pre-apprenticeship programs, we're developing the next generation of sustainable farm managers and farm workers.
We began in 2016 with a program, and the idea was to train the next generation of farmers, dairy farmers in Pennsylvania, in environmentally regenerative, sustainable, ecologically remunerative, and socially powerful farming systems. To date, we've approved over 20 dairy farmers in Pennsylvania and New Jersey as mentor grazers in the Dairy Grazing Apprenticeship Program. We have 6 active apprentices, and we also have begun a transition to grazing cohort for beginning grazers who are already working on their own, but still want that mentorship component so that they can really fine-tune, hone their grazing and marketing skills and be successful in dairy.
Pasa operates 2 registered apprenticeship programs that have shown 200 individuals what farming can look like. When we talk about having an impact on the next generation of farmers, this is what it looks like. Apprentices in our programs go on to manage their own farms or manage an existing farm or work at an ag company. All places that need young people who care deeply about and understand how to create positive change.
Additionally, because of your investment, we were able to develop a pre-apprenticeship program to support and supplement our full DVA apprenticeship program. And the pre-apprenticeship is meant to expand the base of opportunities for folks to gain the necessary first year of farming experience.
Farmer-to-farmer education has been at the core of Pasa's work since it was founded 30 years ago. Our conference brings together people who really care about building a more sustainable food system. And our year-round events provide a really essential opportunity for farmers to get together to learn and to connect. At our 2020 conference, over 2,000 farmers, food system professionals, and change makers came together. And then the pandemic, we ended up having a virtual conference where we reached new audiences.
Help us keep this momentum and excitement going. Share your favorite outcomes with family and friends, knowing that your investment laid the groundwork for stronger local and regional food systems, as well as more sustainable farms healthier people, and a healthier planet. For more information, visit pasafarming.org.